Welcome to my camper van tour. I'm Barry, and I'm the nerd. We'll show you our electrical, water, sleep, and storage systems. Seat swivel, solar power, cooking, and the waste system, and the fun stuff. There are detailed videos of all of this in the description. This is a 2015 Ford Transit. To be exact, it is a 3.7 liter V6 naturally aspirated engine passenger wagon, the 150 XLT model to be exact. It has front and rear AC, 15 city, 20 highway. It's a passenger model. We've removed the seats, but we can put them back in at any time. And use the seat rails as mounting points for the bed, battery, and waste system. The van is awesome for weekends or extended trips in campgrounds or boondocking. Michelin Agilis cross-climate tires. Let's get to the bed frame. It's made of 80/20 extruded aluminum and has a plywood platform hinged to access storage underneath. This is an X-Bed Duo-Mat air mattress, which also has foam in it. It's only 4 inches thick, and you can add air to your comfort level. The bed is ventilated with a Thule Tepui mat that allows an airspace underneath to prevent condensation and mold. Under the bed, there's storage for our food, clothing, and our portable sink. It still looks like a toilet. Well, it is. It's a Thetford 135 with a USB rechargeable faucet added, and we use it for brushing teeth and washing dishes. Moving on, this is the coffee and breakfast bin. It has everything you need to heat water with a propane burner, but do not do this. You will blow yourself up. Our cooler sits here and doubles as a handy work surface. Or you could use this table I made out of black iron pipe and a bracket mounted to the B-pillar. And if things get a little toasty or chilly, or you want some privacy, I put up these window covers I made. There's a full video on this in the description. I can even draw the curtains up in the front. It gets kind of dark, so we've installed LED lights in the ceiling and under the bed. Connected to our auxiliary battery station mounted here. This uses a 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. A 100 amp hour battery powered by a MPPT solar charge controller, or you can be charged using AC charger either from shore power or this inverter connected to the van's battery, which is only operated while the van is running, usually driving. We can charge phones and cameras and power our lights and fans. I installed a Ventline Van Air fan in the roof to extract condensation and to circulate air. Yes, circulation is important. This is a Thetford Curve cassette toilet. It's mounted to a base plate and is removable to refill the fresh water tank part and empty the holding tank section. Emergency use only. Our storage utilizes milk crates under the bed. They're easy to move around and can also double as table surfaces with these lids. We should market those. Fresh water is kept in these Scepter water tanks, and we use some smart bottles for backup. There's more storage space here for food or clothing, and cargo nets for clothing type items. And the window covers are held here with these bungee nets. I love bungee nets. What's with the lab coat? What's with the hair? Fair point. This is our gear area. We carry a tent, an awning, tools, screens for the side door and the front windows, a heater, and folding chairs. Do not use that. You will blow yourself up. I've adapted this hitch rack that mounts on the back of the van to carry our propane canisters and extra fuel and water outside the vehicle. Safety first. Well, I've got to get busy packing for our next trip. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And make sure to get out there.